If CapCut is showing a payment error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get your subscription working again. Payment issues can happen for a few different reasons, but most of the time they're caused by card details, network problems, or an issue inside the app itself. So before you keep retrying and getting the same message, let's go through the easiest solutions that usually work. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and step-by-step guides. First, let's verify your card details. This sounds basic, but it's one of the most common reasons a payment fails. Open your payment method and carefully check that your card number is entered correctly. Make sure the expiration date is still valid and double-check the CVV code on the back of the card. Even one wrong digit can trigger a payment failure in CapCut. While you're checking that, also make sure your card actually has enough funds available for the purchase. Sometimes the card is active, but the bank still declines the payment because the balance is too low or the card has a spending limit. Another important thing to check is whether your bank allows online and international transactions. Some banks automatically block subscriptions or overseas payments unless you manually approve them. If CapCut is trying to process the payment through a foreign billing system, your bank may flag it as suspicious. In that case, open your banking app or contact your bank and confirm that online payments, international payments, and recurring subscriptions are allowed. If needed, ask them to lift any temporary restrictions on the card. If your card details are correct and the payment still fails, the next thing to try is your network connection. Payment processing depends on a stable connection, and sometimes a weak or filtered connection can cause the transaction to fail before it even reaches the payment gateway. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi, and then attempt the payment again. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or private relay, turn it off first. These tools can interfere with payment verification and sometimes make CapCut think the request is coming from an unusual location. Once the VPN is disabled, reconnect and try the transaction again. If the app is still showing an error, there's one more fix that often works very well. Use the CapCut website instead of the desktop app. Sometimes the desktop application has its own bugs or subscription checkout issues, especially if you're seeing an error code like 360101. In that case, open your browser and go to the official CapCut subscription page. Completing the purchase through the website can bypass in-app glitches and give you a cleaner checkout process. Sign in with the same account you use in CapCut, choose your plan, and try the payment from the browser instead of inside the app. This is especially helpful when the app itself is the problem, rather than your card. If the website payment works, you can usually return to CapCut and refresh your account status after the subscription is processed. If it still doesn't work, try clearing your browser cache, using a different browser, or signing out and back in before trying again. So, to recap, the best way to fix a CapCut payment error is to first verify your card details and make sure your bank supports the transaction. Then switch networks or disable any VPN or proxy, and finally try the official CapCut website if the desktop app keeps giving you an error. These 3 steps solve most payment problems without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another CapCut error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.